Did you know the ground beneath Yellowstone National Park is hiding one of the world's largest supervolcanoes? And its last major eruption was over 640,000 years ago. That's a mind-boggling amount of time, and it immediately raises the question, is it overdue for another one? Today we're diving deep into the heart of Yellowstone to explore this geological giant. It's not just a beautiful national park. It's one of the most significant and active volcanic systems on our planet, a place where the Earth's fiery power is constantly on display. But with that power comes a great deal of uncertainty and concern. The main challenge for scientists, and frankly for all of us, is the sheer unpredictability of this behemoth. In recent years, we've seen an increase in seismic activity, swarms of small earthquakes, and noticeable changes in ground deformation, where the land literally rises and falls. We also see shifts in the behavior of its famous geysers and hot springs. These are all signs that something is happening deep underground, but what exactly? The problem is we don't have a clear pattern for what precedes a super eruption, making every new tremor and every inch of ground uplift a piece of a massive, high-stakes puzzle that we're desperately trying to solve before it's too late. It's a constant battle between scientific monitoring and the raw, untamable forces of nature. So, how do we keep an eye on this sleeping giant? Scientists are using an incredible array of tools. A network of seismometers is spread across the park, listening for every tiny tremor. GPS stations measure ground movement with millimeter accuracy, tracking the breathing of the magma chamber below as it fills and empties. They even analyze the gases released from fumaroles, looking for changes in chemical composition that could signal fresh magma rising closer to the surface. It's like being a doctor for the planet, constantly checking its vital signs. This data helps build computer models to forecast potential scenarios. But the system is so complex that even our best technology can only give us probabilities, not certainties. And here's the moment that has researchers on high alert. Recent studies using advanced imaging techniques like seismic tomography have revealed a much larger and more complex magma reservoir system than previously thought. It's not just one big chamber, but a multi-layered system of partially molten rock extending for miles beneath the surface. More alarmingly, analysis of volcanic deposits has shown that the volcano can go from a quiet state to a full-blown eruption in just a matter of decades, a geological blink of an eye. This discovery has completely changed the risk assessment, suggesting we might have far less warning time than we once believed, turning a distant threat into a more immediate and pressing concern for our generation. So to wrap it up, Yellowstone is a dynamic and powerful supervolcano that scientists are monitoring around the clock. While an eruption isn't imminent tomorrow, the latest findings show the situation is more complex and potentially faster moving than we ever imagined, highlighting the critical need for continued research and vigilance. What are your thoughts on the Yellowstone supervolcano? Does this level of geological activity worry you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by the power of our planet, be sure to check out my other videos on incredible geological wonders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing world.